Welcome back to another video. I'm your tech guide, Wayne. Today I want to walk you through how to unlock your Google Pixel Fold so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the phone app and make sure you're on the dialer. And you're going to type in *#06 and pound. That's going to show us the IMEI of the phone. Make sure you write down the number at the top of the screen here. We'll need that for the next step of the video. Next, hit the home button. And we're going to go to Google Chrome, to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. This is a website where for a few dollars you can have your phone unlocked so you can use it with any carrier, and you can also use the phone overseas. So let's swipe up. I'm going to tap on this first section here. It normally says select manufacturer. We're going to go to Google Pixel and then the model, and then swipe up and go to Pixel Fold, and then tap unlock phone. And from here you'll need to select the country you purchased the phone in. For us, it's the United States. The carrier is going to be AT&T. Here it's going to show you the price to unlock the phone and the delivery time of how long it's going to take for them to unlock the phone. And then here you're going to input the IMEI number, the number we got in the first step of the video. Swipe up, tap add to cart, checkout, and pay. Now the way it works is they're going to send you an email that's going to have the final instructions you'll need to follow to finish unlocking the phone. Understand that the process to unlock phones is different for every carrier, and it does change from time to time, so that's why we can't show you the exact process in the video. But once you check out and pay, they will send you an email with the most updated instructions on how to unlock the phone, and then you're good to go. It's recommended to have a SIM card of the service you would like to use with the phone once it's unlocked, and simply put in that new SIM card, and you're going to power off the phone and power it back on again. Now I just want to point out at the top of the screen, some of the things I like about this website are they do have a toll-free number at the top, a number to text, an email number, and a WhatsApp, which are just different ways to contact the company to follow up on your order if it's been a while and you haven't heard back from them. So that's the easiest way for you to check in, to check on the status if you haven't gotten your delivery email already. So just FYI. Also want to point out their rating on the site as well. So 4.45 out of 5. And that's about 2,200 different customers that have used the site and we're happy with it. So I will leave a link below in the description of the exact web link of where you can unlock your phone, and hope this video was helpful. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.